Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bulijjo sinzira okubanga la video eno nsaba ogivuge ogivugire ddala. Oluvannyuma lwa Anita Mong okukola buli kisoboka kyonna okulemesa omukyala Mase Alupo owa National Unity Platform ogenda ku ballot y'akalulu k'Ebukedia. Ekibiina kya National Unity Platform mu ngeri era eya rubber style bavuddeyo ne balangirira omuntu agenda okuvuganya Anita Mong. Finally Anita Mong ng'ayita muganda we sister we ate who happens to be her personal secretary yagenda mu kooti n'ategeeza nti bonna abakyala abasatu abamwesimbyeko Ebukedia baali si balunzi ba district y'Ebukedia. Muno mwe mwali owa FDC, mwe mwali owa Independent naye nga wa NRM, mwe mwali no National Unity Platform Mase Alupo. Era ebbanga lyonna babadde mu kooti. Kooti yava newe ensalawo yaayo nga terina na gwe yeebuuzizzaako n'egamba nti abo tebali eligible okuyimirira nga abalonzi nga abeesimbyewo mu Bukedia. Kino kyali kitegeeza omulundi ogwokubiri Anita Mong abadde agenda mu kalulu kaneeno ng'ali unopposed nga bwe kyali mu kalulu akaggwa. Nabagamba nti tewali bantu NUP besinga kwagala kuba kigwo ng'abantu babiri Museveni ne Anita Mong. Ekibiina always kibaawo ne gye bayita contingency plan. Bakimanya nti nsobola otuukawo era baali balina gwe baali bategese. Olwali ennaku z'omwezi 22 ebula ennaku ntono nnyo bagende mu kye bayita nomination. Kiba kitegeeza nti Anita Mong talina time gy'asobola kufikisingawo kuwawaabira n'ono omukyala. Ekirungi kye basobola okukola kumutta oba kumubuzaawo, ate ne bamubuzaawo tebasobola lemesa nomination. Nti ne waba abuze wakiri bajja mu nominatinga campaign bajja zinoonya n'ebifaananyi bye naye nga NUP ku ballot y'Ebukedia omubaka omukyala etaddeko omuntu. Kibadde kigenda kuba kya jogo nnyo singa Anita Mong ayisewo unopposed. Finally Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Bobi Wine alangiriridde omukyala agenda okuvuganya Anita Mong. I know mu maaso g'Abannayuganda ayinza okuba tali famous naye wenjogeredde essaawa zino she has started trending. Era nkukakasa weekend weneggwerako omukazi oyo agenda kuba w'amaanyi nnyo nga bw'okiwulira, because what I know about Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Bobi Wine, he promotes, he makes, he's a real kingmaker. Mujukira Nalukola yagenda mu kalulu k'Ekawempe nga is not popular. Naye twagenda otuuka ku lunaku lwa campaign Nalukola was already popular because Bobi Wine yakozesa buli chance okumufuula famous. Kati njagala olaba Bobi Wine byayogedde ng'ayanjula abakyala bana ababiri. Omu yabaddeyo, omulala ye mupya gwe baleese. Njagala owulirize, tovaawo, tambuza video katukomewo.
Power! NUP! Everywhere! Under Uganda!
People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power!
Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to declare that I am giving my flag to my sister as CEO to run as the woman member of parliament for Bukedia district. It is not an easy thing because the junta is very afraid of the power that belongs to the people. I am going to rally behind the CEO for Bukedia district and she's going to get nominated in Bukedia district. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Thank you very much.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Allow me to speak to the people while standing side to side with these two powerful women. Come here, my sister. I see you. I want to salute Comrade Alupo. As all of you know, this lady has been our flag bearer. But Anita Mong, with impunity, has frustrated already 3 candidates. Anita Mong believes nobody should run against her. Imagine this is a Speaker of Parliament using all manner of frustrate candidates. She has frustrated this sister of ours using court and scrapping her off the register. But the people of Bukedia are saying there wasn't only one person. I'm very glad that she has endorsed our sister Asio. And here again, I want to reassert full support for Asio. Anita Among, I want to say shame on you. I want to say shame on you, and I want to tell you that you cannot silence the voices of Bokedia. Bokedia does not represent corruption. Bokedia does not represent impunity. There are women who represent the values of women in Bokedia. And our sister here is going to represent us, and we're all rallying behind her. That said, we are going on with the campaign trail, and today we are going to Bunyoro. But before we even talk about going to Bunyoro, I want to highlight the lawlessness that all of you have seen. You have seen serving military officers and serving police officers openly campaigning for the regime and campaigning other Ugandans. You have seen a policewoman, a senior superintendent of police called Annabelle Nyinamahoro. You saw her campaigning for Kasolo on camera in police uniform. As if that's not enough, I believe many of you have seen a gentleman, a lieutenant called Lieutenant Okidi. Lieutenant General Okidi, the head of Air Force. You saw him on video, not only campaigning for General Museveni in military uniform, but also campaigning us and even going low by attacking children. I think Lieutenant General Okidi should be ashamed of himself. But again, we are not going to take that line. We are going in the coming days to announce the steps we will be taking, but we wanted to expose this to Ugandans. You have seen the regime getting soldiers from the barracks, making them put on yellow t-shirts and coming to attend Museveni's rallies to appear as if Museveni has support. They've even taken our children out of school. You saw a letter instructing schools in Moyo and Ajumani to have their children come and attend Museveni's rallies. Now you know that without coercing prisoners, soldiers from the barracks and our children, Museveni would have empty campaign grounds. We shall continue stressing him. We are going to Bunyoro now. I saw Nabanja ordering the people of Bunyoro to stay in their houses and not to come out. Let us see how that turns out today. Mubitono tono njagala nnyo okusaamu ekitiibwa sister waffe Masi Alupo. Mwena mulabye nti Anita Among yamanyi tebalina mwesimbako e Bukedeya. Era bonna abamwesimbako akozesa obumenyi bw'amateeka bonna okubajja mu race. Yanokizza already bakandidate basatu n'abajja mu race. Kati tuleese omupya Anita Among. Twagala era tulabe empisa zo. Twagala era tulabe nti gwofuga ekooti, gwofuga electoral commission era kyoyogera kyekikola. So tuleese Asio era yagenda okubeera candidate waffe. Naye nja kwogera ne ku bumenyi bw'amateeka obukolebwa abapoliisi n'abamagye. Mwalabye senior superintendent of police omukyala.
Alright, that is His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi said, I'm trying to address the press this morning before ngatanaba kubanga atambula kugenda mu Bunyoro jagenda okubanga akuba rally ye. Avuddeyo n'ayanjula omukyala Masi Alupo eyavudde mu race wabula n'atulaga oyo gwe bazizza mu kifo kye. Atulaba oli ku Verse Strange 256. Tambuza video etuke kule muna Uganda ategede nti yes. Wano we tulaga kigenda kuba kikambwemu. Bampita simple.